Coffee tables are key components of home decor, blending style with practicality in every living space. They not only support beverages but also display books and decorative items, enhancing the overall ambience. These tables provide essential comfort and elegance to living areas, making them fundamental for entertaining guests. An inviting coffee table can transform a simple seating arrangement into a sophisticated social space. Coffee tables serve multiple functions, notably offering storage solutions for items like books and magazines. They also act as decorative surfaces for showcasing personal style through various decor pieces. Shopping for coffee tables in America is convenient, with various retailers offering diverse options. Whether you're looking for modern aesthetics or a rustic charm, many stores cater to different tastes and styles. IKEA is a leading choice for affordable and stylish furniture, known for its wide selection of coffee tables. Shoppers can choose from numerous designs and sizes, whether in store or through their online platform. Wayfair provides an extensive assortment of home furniture, including a vast range of coffee tables available online. Their user-friendly platform allows for easy browsing and purchasing from the comfort of home. Amazon is a comprehensive shopping destination, offering an array of coffee tables to meet diverse needs. The advantage of customer reviews helps buyers make informed decisions based on previous experiences. In conclusion, coffee tables are vital for enhancing living spaces and organizing items. With numerous purchasing options available, including IKEA, Wayfair, and Amazon, finding the perfect piece to match your style is easy.